Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll cover the TV Menu Pro feature inside the store section of the CronySoft BackOffice. TV Menu Pro allows you to create and publish a custom digital menu that can be displayed on your TV. This is useful for stores, restaurants, cafes, or any business that wants to show menu items, prices, promotions, images, videos, or animated displays on a TV screen. To access this feature, go to the store, then click TV Menu Pro. Or you could use the Smart Search instead. Before using TV Menu Pro, there are two important requirements. First, you need an active TV menu subscription in Crony BackOffice. Second, you need an Amazon Fire Stick 4K HD connected to the back of your TV. Once the subscription is active and the Fire Stick is connected, you can begin designing and publishing your TV menu from the back office. To create a TV menu, click on Add Template. Over here, you may see ready-made templates that can be used for menu such as breakfast, daily specials, mix and match promotions, or other display styles. You can choose one of these existing templates and save it as your own copy. This is helpful if you want to start quickly using a design that is already available. If you want to create your own, click on Add Template and choose a blank template. Once the template is added, click the three dots and select Edit. This will open the TV Menu Design Editor. Inside the editor, you can zoom in or out to adjust your working view. On the left-hand side, you will see different design options that can be added to the menu. You can add text, input fields, images, shapes, promotions, item lists, image lists, lottery displays, and backgrounds. Let's select a background for our menu design. You can choose from our gallery of backgrounds added, or even upload your own custom background as well. Let's start with the text. Drag and drop the text option onto the design area. Once the text is added, you can type the message you want to display. For example, you can add a menu heading, breakfast title, special offer, or any message you want the customers to see. You can also adjust the font size, change the font style, change the color, and move the text anywhere on the screen. Next, let's look at the item information. If you want the menu to show product information from the back office, use the input field option. This allows you to connect menu fields to item data such as the product name or retail price. For example, you can select a product name field, choose the item from the back office, and then apply it to the menu. The product name will appear on the TV menu design. If you also want to show the item price, add another input field and select Retail Price option. Then choose the same item. This is very useful because the item price is updated in CronySoft BackOffice. The TV menu price can be updated automatically as well. This helps reduce manual editing and keeps your TV menu consistent with your back office pricing. Keep in mind, if you type a price manually using a regular text field, you will need to edit that text yourself whenever the price changes. For automatic updates, it is better to use item-based input fields. You can also add images to your menu, drag and drop images from the existing image library, or upload your own image if needed. You can also use shapes to create sections, highlight areas, or organize the design. If you want to show promotions, use the promotion option. For example, you can drag and drop a mix and match promotion onto the menu. Then choose the promotion you want to display. The system can show promotional details such as the deal's name, promotion image, expiration date, and total amount. This allows you to run regular items and promotions on the same TV screen. For example, you can place your breakfast menu on one side of the screen and mix and match promotions on the other side. And just like that, you can add the remaining options for your designs. TV Menu Pro also supports image lists and lottery TV options. If your store uses lottery displays, you can add a lottery section to the TV menu as well. Once your design is complete, you can click on Save. After saving, click Publish. Publishing sends the updated menu to the selected TV display. If you have multiple TVs, you can choose the correct TV display ID from the list. Select the TV you want to update, then click Save. Once saved, the TV menu will update automatically on your TV. TV Menu Pro is a powerful tool because it lets you design menus, display prices, show promotions, use images and videos, and keep item pricing connected to the back office. And that's it for the TV Menu Pro feature in CronySoft BackOffice. In the next video, we will continue with the next options inside the store modules. So I'll catch you guys in our next video.